Hey guys, welcome back to today's video, which is a total chit chat video. So grab a snack, kick off your shoes, get a tea, get a coffee, get cozy, and just imagine that we're hanging out together and I have got a beauty secret to share with you. Trevor, you've been keeping a beauty secret from us? I know that's what you're asking me. I can hear it from here. The secret I have been keeping is prescription strength retinol. If you've been watching my vlogs this week, I actually got prescription strength retinol. Retinol is a form of vitamin A. You might have heard tretinoins, retinols, retinoids. All of these things help to boost collagen production, alleviating fine lines, wrinkles. They help with acne, whiteheads, blackheads. What it does is help to chemically exfoliate that top layer of skin, making your skin turn over a lot more quickly, kind of like when you were younger, creating more youthful, glowing skin. And ever since I heard about retinol, I've been doing so much research. I fell down into the retinol hole and just knew that I needed to make it a part of my skincare routine because as I'm getting older, I've noticed a lot of sunspots or photo damage appearing on my face, which I am not happy about. So I thought meeting with a dermatologist was the best thing to do to talk about all of my options for anti-aging. Retinol is literally the fountain of youth. So I made my way to my doctor's office. I requested a requisition for a dermatologist because I had so many anti-aging questions. There's so much information out here on the internet. I wanted to cut right to the chase. I wanted to talk to a doctor. So that's exactly what I did. I made my way to the dermatologist. We talked about all of the anti-aging things that I could start doing. We talked about retinol, and yes, I did get a prescription. We will get to that. So if you're ready to learn more about the fountain of youth skincare ingredient retinol, exactly how to use it to avoid burning and use it correctly for anti-aging, keep on watching. All right, just so that we're all clear, I'm just going to read this to you guys. Retinol is a vitamin A derivative that has been proven to boost collagen production, reducing wrinkles and preventing fine lines. It speeds cell turnover, evening out discoloration, brightening the skin tone, and unclogging pores, making them look smaller and reducing acne. So that is exactly what a retinol does. The reason you want to see a dermatologist for your retinol prescription is not only is it up to 100 times more potent and effective, but it can also burn the skin. I talked with my dermatologist. I'm actually starting at the lowest level of the Stevia A retinol that I'm using. I'm starting at 0.01, literally sounds like nothing. The next level is 0.025, 0.05, and then 0.1. Now, the first thing my dermatologist did was give me the mirror and say, okay, what bothers you about your skin? And I have a lot of sunspots forming. I mean, they're only minor at this point, but I know they're going to get bigger and I know they're there, in particular along the outside of my face. I do have a couple forming under my eye as well. Retinol also works fantastic for acne, which I just don't happen to have, but if you have acne, it is fantastic at acne. The reason I got it was to speed cell turnover and to help alleviate all of that photo damage that I know is there and that I know is coming. Now, you may have heard these products called retinols, retinoids, tretinoins. The brand that I'm using is Stevia A. This is the one that my dermatologist recommended the most. She said that she finds people have the least amount of irritation with it, and it comes in two forms, a cream form and a gel form. She gave me the cream form because apparently that one has less irritation as well. I should say that right now I'm actually completely barefaced. I have been using retinol for 5 days now, and I wanted you guys to see my skin just totally bare so we can all check it out now. What I'm going to do is create 3 separate videos. This is the first one in the retinol installment. Next one, I'll update you guys in 4 weeks, so up the 1 month mark. Then we'll do 8 weeks at the 2 month mark, and then probably a 12-week video so we can see all of the retinol benefits. Now, I've been using my retinol cream for 5 days now. Last night was the first night that I woke up with a pimple right here. But I have to say, I did kind of focus the product in this area where I have kind of like the most buildup, so it might be just like my own fault. Other than that, I do have a little bit of peeling just around my nose region. They say that you should probably avoid those nose cracks altogether, but like, you know, I'm in there, I'm filling it up. Those are the only 2 discomforts that I've seen so far, is one small pimple and like a little bit of peeling, but so far so good. I don't know if it's because I used the cream instead of the gel that the cream is just working beautifully, but so far I'm loving the results. When I wake up in the morning, my skin is so smooth, it literally feels like butter. Now, one of the downsides about retinol is the way that you have to apply it. It is a really cumbersome part of your skincare routine. They recommend that you apply it to completely dry skin because you don't want that retinol penetrating deep below. You want it sitting on the skin surface. But here's the kicker. You need to wait at least an hour after washing your face before applying the retinol cream. And then once you apply the retinol cream, you have to wait at least another hour before applying your nighttime cream. So the whole thing is about 2.5 hours by the time you're done. What you want to do around 5, 6, or 7 o'clock, basically whenever you get home, is wash your face as soon as you walk in the door. After you wash your face, just dry it off, get it nice and dry. You can put some toner on, but that is it. Nothing more after toner. I know that sounds like blasphemy to just wash your face and not follow with a cream, but just wash your face, get all that makeup, all that dirt from the day, get it off your skin, do a nice toning session, and then just step away and wait 1 hour. At the 1 hour mark, you want to take a good pea-sized amount of your retinol and just dab it all over your face. They do say that you want to avoid the lip and eye area as well as the creases of the nose. I really haven't avoided any of these areas and I haven't had any problems so far. I have seen some people say that you can lightly apply the retinol along your orbital bone here. I mean, don't go right up into the eye, but you can kind of target those crow's feet along here. Just want to go ahead and apply the layer all over your skin, let that soak in and let it sit for an hour. Yes, another hour. So you've done your first hour, now you're on to your second hour, and what you're doing is waiting for that retinol to really start working its magic on your skin before you follow it with your nighttime moisturizer. If you don't follow with your nighttime moisturizer, you will wake up with a dry, irritated skin, more than likely. So make sure you're moisturizing after your retinol treatment, but waiting that full hour for it really to do its magic. And I'm telling you guys, you will wake up with the smoothest skin. Like I literally open my eyes and I just go, like my fingers just slip right off my face. Anyway, guys, that is my first 5 nights using a prescription strength retinol. I tell you, I'm loving the results already, except for this one pimple, but I'm totally enjoying using my retinol and I'm going to continue to use it every single night. That is my commitment to you. I'm going to update you at the 1 month mark, at the 2 month mark, and at the 3 month mark. I'm going to take a reference picture right now. Let's all just look at my skin. I do have some brown spots in this area here, as well as over here. So we're definitely going to keep our eyes on those. If you use prescription strength retinol or have tried prescription strength retinol, let me know in the comments down below if it burned you, if it irritated you, if it gave you youthful skin. I'm so excited to go on this retinol journey with you. We are going to find out all of the beautiful benefits of retinol together, one day at a time. I'm literally not going to miss a single day. If you guys need more of me in between now and next video, you can always follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter. And don't forget, I have 100 other videos here on my channel. Until the next video, guys, I hope you have a wonderful day. I love, love, love you, and I can't wait to see you then. Bye, guys.